lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Boxycharm time. Okay, so now I'm gonna start off with the base box. The first item we have here was actually a choice item. So this is the item I chose, which is the, what should be, sorry, let me hold it this way. No, it's upside down. Okay, that's better. Oh, first off, hold up. This month's theme is Boxy Spring Revival. Okay, now let's get started. The first item is a choice item which I chose, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation, a water-resistant liquid foundation that creates a luminous natural finish. The radiant formula delivers long-wearing medium coverage, yet still feels so lightweight and looks ultra fresh. Luminous foundation blurs any imperfections without caking or masking the skin's natural radiance. It looks so great on its own. There's no need to set with powder. I disagree a little bit. I'm very dry and I still set all my foundations with powder. I just do it very lightly. Again, you guys already know I love this foundation. I got a much better shade match for me, because if you guys already seen the past, I have the shade 300C, because it went on sale a while back, like maybe a year ago, and I just gotten around to recently opening it. I try not to have too much stuff open at once so it doesn't expire, but anyways, so that was always kind of a little bit darker than my natural skin tone, but this one is more of a perfect match. So I picked up the shade 260N, which is, you know, and the neutral line. Anyways, you guys already know I'm excited to have this. A, it's what I chose. B, I'm already used to the formula. I happen to love using this, so win-win. The next one is these names. I can't pronounce this. Again, I'll have prices at the bottom as usual. What is this? Okay, it's a glacier clay cleanser. I cannot pronounce the name. The name is right there. Have fun, because I cannot pronounce that. Moving on. This gentle glacial cleansing cream helps the removal of makeup, environmental pollutions, and dead facial skin cells to reveal a fresh, glowing appearance, enriched with natural botanicals, extracts, and minerals from glacial oceanic clay to leave skin soft, fresh, and radiant. Okay, so this is a new brand to Boxy. Okay, it's a cleanser. Can't get at that. The next item is, what should be, from Item Beauty by Addison Rae. Lash Snack. Let me show this on upside down. This is the Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. This flake-free and smudge-proof lengthening mascara is packed with nourishing lash boosters and hydrating conditioners like castor seed oil, glycerin, and coconut oil, so your lashes can live large. The unique micro wand and exclusive complex in the formula naturally enhances every single lash for 3 times the volume. Okay. Again, I'm not going to open it because I already have a lot of mascaras open, and once you open the mascara, the time kind of, its lifeline starts going. So I'm trying to say. Next one is, the Christopher Robin Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water. Now, correct me if I'm wrong. I feel like I got this in a past Boxycharm, and not that long ago. Wasn't a month, 2 months? I would say maybe 2 months ago. I don't know, but I know. I remember seeing this. So I'm like, ugh, a duplicate product? Like, why? I feel like ever since Ipsy bought Boxycharm, it's not the same. Like, I still enjoy doing the unboxing. I still enjoy the things I get, but it's like something's off. It just doesn't feel the same. Anyways, I believe the first time I got this, I gave it to my mom. So because I am very cautious on what I put in my hair, so I make sure there's no sulfates, silicones, none of that stuff. So because I have such a, like, you know, large arsenal worth of hair stuff, I'm very picky about my hair stuff, I'll most likely pass this on to my mom. But anyway, this is the Christopher Robin Instant Volume Mist with rose water. This mist makes thin, fine, and flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy to style hold. Using a delicate rose blend infused formula with bohab leaf extract and oligo elements from seawater, this mist helps enhance hair's texture and provides a lift at the roots for a long-lasting volumized look. Okay. The last item is from Lucky Chic liquid eyeshadow. That's the only thing I didn't take out the box, and it's only because I'm not gonna use this. I have a lot of liquid eyeshadows, and I don't know, like this color doesn't really call to me. Can I even open it? Like, what the heck? Whatever. I guess we're just gonna rip open the box. So I'm gonna pass this off to a friend or family member. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the color. I just have a lot of liquid eyeshadows, and anyway, this is it. So this is in the shade Rose Quartz, and it is this gorgeous metallic pink shade creates a beautiful tone while radiating a subtle shimmery glow. It is lightweight, long-lasting, and has the right amount of shine and luster. Wear a thin layer on the lids or build it up for a more dramatic look. Layering this soothing, cucumber-enriched eyeshadow makes it perfect for all-day wear. Okay. So that was the base. I'm not mad at it. I'll use this. I will definitely use this. This made the box for me. I'll use this because, you know, I wear makeup and it's nice to, you know, have extra cleansers to wash my face. This, alright, so I'm going to pass on to a friend or family member. This, alright, so I'm going to pass on to my mom. So I guess 2 of the 5 items I'm not going to have use for, but again, the foundation alone makes the box worth it. So okay, now premium. Go. Same theme. So much packaging. Okay, I was so excited to get this. This is the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. Now, if you remember, last month we got the was it last month? I think it was last month. We got the Cupid eyeshadow. So again, this is another Boxycharm exclusive. So you cannot buy this. This is not on the market for regular resale. This was made exclusively for Boxycharm, just like that palette was. So you got the Cupid eyeshadow palette you got last month. I'm pretty sure it was last month. And now you got the Cupid Cheek Duo. So as you can see if I can try to not blind you with the mirror, you get a cream blush and a nice, what I'm trying to say, highlighter. So I'm super excited about that, and it looks gorgeous, and I love her formula. Natasha Denona could do no wrong. I love her makeup. So it says a perfect pairing of Natasha's iconic cheek formulas. The Cupid Cheek Duo features a lightweight hydrating cream blush and a luminous powder highlight in 2 shades that flatter all skin tones. Both formulas can be applied with a brush or fingertips, meaning it's all you need for on the glow. That's cute. So excited about that. I love when we get Natasha Denona in the boxes. This was the item I chose skincare. Hello. This is from Herbivore Botanicals. How do I pronounce this word? Boxycharm Retinol Alternative Soothing Serum. Do not ask me to repeat that again. Anyway, a naturally derived plant-based serum that smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and visibly fights signs of aging without synthetic or irritating effects. Gentle enough for most sensitive skin types. Here goes this word again. Boxycharm supports surface cell turnover with its retinoic effects. Okay. Again, skincare is super pricey, so if I could get it in a box, give it to me. Oh no, it's a retinol. Next item is, I think I chose this item too. Did I? Yeah, I chose this item too. I believe I did. This is the Dr. Brand Eye Cream. An eye cream that smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, moisturizes the eye area, fades the appearance of dark circles, and reduces the look of puffiness. It says this is a new launch. Interesting. The next item is, it says it's new to Boxy. Okay. This is the Mitchell and Peach English Leaf Body Oil. Oh, let me smell this real quick. It definitely has a scent. It's light. I'll probably use this. I don't know. I do intend on doing some like body care videos, so stay tuned for that. I don't know when. I'm pretty busy, and I have a lot of other videos I want to film beforehand, and a couple that I have already pre-filmed. I just haven't edited to throw out and give to you guys yet. But again, body oil. Moving on, this is blended. Let me check out. Yeah, okay. Blended with almond oil and vitamin E, this decadent body oil leaves skin soft and scented. Again, it's not that strong of a scent, so I feel like you can still layer your, perfumes and stuff on top of this, and it won't be too overpowering. What else? Okay, we got the My Beauty brand, which is also new to Boxy. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is new to Boxy if I didn't already mention that. This is a new brand to Boxy. This is a Buy Black liquid eyeliner. Oh, Buy Me Black liquid eyeliner. Your new Holy Grail product created for both the eyeliner expert and winged-eyed novice. This flexible felt tip combined with highly pigmented smudge-proof color guarantees a long-lasting and intensely defined look. Again, I don't really wing my eyes, so I just kind of collect them, and if friends want, take them or whatever, it's okay to have. Just not big on liquid liner. The last item is, where is that? Right here. This is, what is with these names? Endota Hydrating Lip Balm. Protect your pot with this natural organic lip balm that's packed with super hydrating ingredients. With a gorgeous glossy finish, this hydrating lip balm will soothe cracked or chapped lips and protect from dryness. Cocoa butter, calendula, and vitamin E assist in visibly reviving delicate lips to keep them looking healthy and feeling luscious, while cooling peppermint oil provides a hint of freshness. This versatile balm can also be used to help restore moisture to cuticles and areas that regularly experience dryness. So that was the premium box. Again, I'm excited for this. This made the box worth it. And I'm excited for this. This made the box worth it. Okay. I ain't mad at it. Again, I'm happy about the skincare. I like to rack up on skincare, so I ain't mad about it. This, like, I'm so in love with my Lash. I just feel like nothing holds a candle against it. So, I mean, this will probably be nice to throw in my pocket or whatever, or probably give to my husband. It's lip balm, whatever. Or maybe my 12-year-old. We'll see. Again, liquid liner. I don't really use liquid liner, so I guess it's nice to have, but it is what it is. This right here, though. These are what made the box worth it. And I'll have links and the information down in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and have a good one. Please comment, like, subscribe. Hit that bell notification if you guys want to see more of me, and have a good one. Bye.